The Adobe Aero is an all-in-one platform for creating, viewing, and sharing the AR experiences without using code. In this particular video, I'm going to demo the desktop version of the Adobe Aero that is available in the public beta that will allow you to create complex level of AR experiences. So with the desktop version of Aero, you can actually assemble the different animation elements with a better control of the triggers and behaviors, so you can test it before going on to the real environment. Let's see how.
So here I have launched the Adobe Aero for desktop, and let me start creating a new project. So I'll just create a new. Let's try to build up a complex forest augmented reality experience. So I'll just say forest AR demo. Click on OK, and the user interface will open up. So the user interface is very much similar to that of Dimensions, but here I have got this behavior builder that will allow me to create interactivity for my selected objects. Now, to create my forest scene, I do have a lot of starter assets that I can use. I can also bring some 3D animation assets from some external 3D applications, or I can also get layered files from Photoshop or Illustrator. Let's get quickly started with using some of my starter assets. So here I have got a layered illustration for a forest. There it is. It's the nature. I click and that asset will come on my floor. Now I have this interactive gizmo that will allow me to move, rotate, and scale. I'll just scale that up a bit, and right now it is flat. Let's give some layer spacing. So I'll just come down to layer spacing, and in the Z space, let me just put some value 35. Yeah, this looks good to me. Let's also get some animals with their animations and make some interactivity on them. So here I have got a origami forest pack. I really like this particular fox. So I click on the fox. The fox is there in the scene. I will just come here, scale him a bit, expand my camera, and bring him ahead. Similarly, I also get this particular bear. Let me quickly assemble my assets, and now comes the fun part. I'll be able to add interactions to these characters. So the first interaction I want is that if I tap on the fox should play an animation. Similarly, if I tap on the bear, it also plays certain animations. I click on the fox, and here in the behavior builder, I will add a trigger. So I've got three types of triggers. One is the start, tap, and enter proximity. So start is that once the AR experience starts, automatically the animation will be played. Tap is when you tap on your mobile, the animation will take place, or if you enter your camera within the proximity, the animation will be triggered. In this example, I just want a tap trigger. Okay, what will happen after you tap? What should be the action? So here I want to play the animation. So I click on the action, and here I have got different actions I can put on this particular fox. So I can play the animation, or I can make him spin, or I can make him follow something. So here I just want to play the animation. I can also have multiple animations, one after the other, but I think I'm happy with the fox right now. Let me click the bear and give him some interactions. So I click on the trigger. I'll similarly give a tap trigger, and it will be followed by a play animation. All of these files are actually getting synced onto the cloud, so that when I open up my Aero for mobile applications, I can right away open up that in the real environment and check the AR experience there. What I can also do is I can bring another human character here. So I have something called as directable characters, and I do have some really nice characters to work on with, and I'll get this fun character. Maybe he's there somewhere in my forest. So this one, I'll just pull her back. So this is what the scene I have right now. For this particular fun character, I want her to follow my mobile camera. So I will create a trigger. I can either go for enter proximity, but I'll go for a simple trap trigger. And for the action, I will have follow. Here I have a follow target. This time it's the camera. I can also control the speed, the distance, and also the duration. Okay, I think I'm happy. And let's see this one in action within the desktop application of Aero. If I'm happy with it, I will then go to my mobile application and check this in the real AR experience. So let's have a quick preview within the desktop application. I click on the fox, the animation will get activated. It comes close to the bear. I click on the bear to bring up its animation, and similarly I'll also tap on the fun character so that you see that the fun character actually follows the camera. If I move my camera, You see that she's actually following my camera. So I'm pretty much happy with the way things are going, and I'm ready to test this experience within my Aero mobile application itself. Let's check it out. I have loaded up this project into the Aero mobile, and let's see the AR experience here. So I tap on the fox gets animated. I now tap onto the bear, and the bear gets animated. Wow. You will also notice that I'm able to walk past through the entire forest. This is thanks to the layering of the Illustrator or Photoshop file. You see the fern character is there, whom I've given the follow trigger. I tap on the fern character, and you see that she's actually following my camera the way I walk into this particular forest.
So this was a quick look about the Adobe Aero for desktop, and feel free to download the public beta version, expand your creative canvas and bring your art to life. Thanks so much.